Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a glimpse of what the Leadership Mastery System is all about. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, your career growth. Typically, what does career growth entail? Four simple things: awards, increments, promotions, and opportunities. These together constitute career growth. Now look at this graph on the screen. So if you try to grow in your career on your own, you definitely can. It will be a steady upward curve, but very, very gradual. If you can get a coach for yourself, then this graph will look even better. This is how it is. So with a coach, your graph can go like this. I'll tell you the third option, which is better than even getting a coach, and which is to have an awesome coach and be a part of a vibrant, amazing community. So this is how you can grow your career and zoom through the roof. What I'm going to be doing now is talking about the Leadership Mastery System which I have developed. I'm Sudhi Haribhat. I'm a leadership coach, and I was in the corporate world for over 24 years. So there are no mistakes probably as far as leadership and management is concerned that I haven't made. So based on all my experience over all these years, I have developed something called as the Leadership Mastery System. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough of what this system is all about. So there are primarily three elements in the Leadership Mastery System. First one is the Inner Circle community. This is an amazing community of over 200 of my clients, and we do amazing work. I'm going to talk about it very soon. Second is there are a bunch of online recorded courses. The most important topics that are needed for you to master leadership skills are covered. And thirdly, I do something called as one-to-one coaching, where it's just you and me. So let's get into the details. The Inner Circle community is over 200 members, and we have a live session. I conduct a live webinar every Monday at 8 p.m. during which I bring in new implementable practical concepts, and I also give exercises to do. This happens every week. Some examples of the kind of topics that we have covered: what is the connection between parenting and leadership, how to become an innovative person in your work or at home, and how to take decisions, especially the difficult decisions, in a structured manner. And do you feel bored and motivated at work? How can you come out of it? Then why is sleep important for success? This is a much ignored topic. So this is also something which I've covered in my Monday sessions. Besides that, we do a lot of 21-day challenges. Every alternate month, we have a 21-day challenge. Sometime back, we had a challenge to generate 3 new ideas every day. So if you took on the challenge, you generate 3 ideas today, tomorrow, day after, and so on for 21 days. That was to move the mindset from a problem to a solution, develop our creative thinking. Then I bring in industry experts and interview them, and my community also gets to ask questions, whether it is HR heads from organizations, business coaches, empowerment coaches, experts in networking. I've got a lot of people coming in, and I interview them live in my community, in the Inner Circle. And then there is the concept of accountability partners. So every person gets to connect with one more person within the community so that they both motivate one another to complete the courses, to be regular in the sessions, to be active, and so forth. So there is an element of gamification as well. So for people who complete certain activities and reach milestones, they are given certificates and badges. Now the next part is the online courses. So online courses, the first one is the Leadership Mastery and Success. In this, the first thing you do is a leadership skills assessment. This is to know where you stand as far as your leadership skills are concerned. Then I talk about perfection versus progress. My mentor Siddharth always says that perfection is the enemy of progress. If you chase perfection and not make progress, then that is of no use at all. Then how to motivate oneself during a crisis and also your team. Many people are fair weather pilots, so they can fly a plane when everything is going good, but when there is turbulence, when the weather is bad, that is when the skills of a leader are really tested. How to motivate the team during that time is what I teach. Then praising and criticizing. Most people get this wrong. They don't know how to praise, and then they don't know how to criticize appropriately. So that is what I teach. And then how to handle uncooperative team members. Another big challenge. So this is also covered in the Leadership Mastery System. Then the next is self-leadership secrets. You may think that you know all your strengths and weaknesses, but I can assure you, you don't. Because once you do this exercise, you will unravel a lot of strengths and weaknesses which were inherent but were hidden from you, and how to improve your self-discipline, and also a magical tool called as journaling, which I use on a daily basis. Then negotiation skills. Most people think that negotiation skills are required for people who are in sales, or whenever you have to negotiate for a salary increment or a promotion. But actually what? You need negotiation skills at all times in your personal life, in your professional life as well. So in this course, I teach you about how you should be negotiating with your vendor, your customer, your boss, your subordinate, and even your children. Emotional intelligence. We all understand logical intelligence, but emotional intelligence is just as important. I talk about the difference between EQ and IQ. And then there are 4 stages to develop your emotional intelligence. You need to understand your emotions, you need to control your emotions, you need to understand others' emotions, and you need to manage others' emotions. You can't control others' emotions, but you can manage it. And these stages go in sequence. So you can't manage others' emotions if you don't understand your own emotions. Then the next course is office politics. This is one of the hottest topics. Now, many people say that they hate office politics. I have this to ask to them. Can you hate air? Can you hate water? Can you hate food? No, right? If you want to live on this planet, these are things that you will have to deal with. Similarly, if you are a working professional, whether you are in a small organization, a large organization, whether you are at the bottom of the ladder or the top of the ladder or somewhere in between, whether you are an entrepreneur, solopreneur, office politics is always going to be relevant to you. Not just politics in the office, politics is going to be there wherever human beings come together. Even in our personal lives, 2 guys chasing the same girl or 2 girls chasing the same guy, they will be playing politics amongst one another. So people who hate office politics are generally the ones who have been victims of office politics. So in this course, I teach you how to not become a victim of office politics, and more importantly, also teach you how to use office politics to your advantage, how to elevate your career using office politics. I in fact tell you the difference between what is ethical and what is unethical, and I teach you how to use office politics in an ethical manner to prop yourself. Then micromanagement. A very common problem that most people have is they work for a micromanager and they really struggle, they can't cope with it. So in this course, I talk about who is a micromanager, why it is bad, how to handle a micromanager, and if you are a micromanager yourself, how do you deal with it? And finally, I also talk about certain exceptional situations where micromanagement is indeed required. Then apart from the video recorded courses, I do a live one-to-one discussion with you. It is a 45-minute Zoom call, which is 100% confidential, just you and me, where we discuss your personal challenges, whatever issues you must be facing because of your work situation. So all that is covered in this one-to-one conversation. I'd like to give you a quick tour of the courses that have been developed. So all the courses are uploaded on a system called as Teachable. That is where you get access to once you're part of the Leadership Mastery system. And this is how it looks like. These are all the courses. Let me just give you a walkthrough of a few of them. So this is the Leadership Mastery and Success course. These are all the videos. Then there is the Negotiation Skills Guide. These are all the videos. And then this is the archive section of the Inner Circle sessions that we have. So every Monday there is the live session, and you are expected to be there every Monday 8 p.m. But if you do miss, then you'll get access to the recordings. And the good thing is, even if you join now, you will get access to all the previous recordings. So here they are. Yeah, so that was a very quick tour of the Leadership Mastery system on the Teachable platform. There are some courses which I am still developing, and I'd like to give you a glimpse of it. So the first one is called as High Impact Communication. The second one is called as Handling a Difficult Boss. And the third is the connection between fitness and leadership. I have done a lot of surveys within my community and the external world. And based on the demand of people, the needs of people, these are 3 courses that I've come up with. And in the next few months, these courses are going to be launched. All in all, this is the Leadership Mastery system with all the courses, the Inner Circle, and the one-to-one clarity session. Once you join the Leadership Mastery system, you get access to everything for a lifetime. What I mean by that is all the courses will be available to you for a lifetime for access, and the Inner Circle, you will be a member of it for a lifetime. So every Monday night for the rest of my life, I'm going to be conducting these sessions and you get to be a part of it. Now for the commercials. So all these things, if you go to the Teachable platform and buy it individually, then it's going to be quite expensive. However, I offer it as a standard package, and that costs rupees 12,499. Everything put together costs 12,499. But for those of you who are watching this video, I have a very special offer for you. And that offer is you don't have to pay rupees 12,499. All you have to do is pay rupees 3,999. And for rupees 3,999 only, the entire leadership mastery system with the courses, membership to the inner circle, and one-to-one session with me, all of this will be available to you right away as soon as you complete the transaction. This is going to be an amazing offer, and I would urge you to make the most of it. The payment link to enter the leadership mastery system is given here. It's also pasted along with this video. So go to this link, complete the transaction, and you will be into the community. I would really love it if you decide to come into the community, and I can guarantee you that you will have an amazing experience. We have over 200 members already, and they are benefiting immensely, learning leadership skills together. So it would be great to have you in as well. So here's the link. Think of learning as an investment and not an expense, and the decision will be very easy. We have over 200 people learning together. So you can become a part of this amazing community too, and your learning journey will never be the same again. Thank you for watching this video, and I would love to welcome you into the Leadership Mastery System.